First we should understand the given question. The given question is talking about a company which was listed in February, and when corona pandemic outbreak was happened, then its share value decreased drastically, and when COVID vaccine was manufactured, then its share increases rapidly, and how the share of the prices were decreasing or increasing, its equation are given as minus a log x minus h plus a, and y is a 10 to the rate x divided by b minus b. So it is for 2 to 10, means February to October, and this is on October onwards, from October onwards. So it is asking about some option, which option are correct. So before doing this question, we have to understand some basic concept about logarithmic function. Okay, so we will do in this question. So first we have to understand how logarithmic function, if we modify any logarithmic function, then how would it look like. Okay, so let me draw some curve. So these are two curves, and we are going to understand how logarithmic function works. For y is equal to log x, here we are taking base as 10, then this log function somehow look like this. Okay, here x is equal to 0 works as asymptote of the logarithmic function. We can also write this as log x minus 0, and when we increment x is equal to 0 from, let us assume we want to draw log of x minus 1 with base 10. Okay, so how this curve will look like? So it will look like somehow like this. Okay, so its asymptote will be x is equal to 1. When we substitute this value, the graph shifted 1 unit towards the right, and the asymptote shifted towards the right as well. Okay, and when we take its mirror image, then the graph will convert itself. Let me draw another one. So this is another one. So we want to draw minus of log base 10 x minus 1. Okay, in this case I am drawing first log of 10 x minus 1, so it will look like this. Okay, where x is equal to 1 was its asymptote. Okay, so now we are drawing, here it is 2 comma 0, because if we substitute 2 minus 1 in this equation, then this curve will be equal to 0. Now we want to draw y is equal to minus of log 10 log base 10 x minus 1. So what we'll do, so we will take x axis as mirror and find its image. Okay, so its image will be somehow look like this, and its image will be like this. Okay, now if we add something constant which is greater than 0, then this graph will shift upward. Okay, so this graph will look like somehow like this. Okay, so with this understanding, now we are going to solve our question. Since the asymptote for this curve is x is equal to 2, so from here we can find that the value of h will be 2. Since we have 1 point given, so from here we can find value of a, hence we can write this as 3 by 2 is equal to minus a log 3 minus 2 plus a. Okay, so this will vanish to 0, hence a is equal to 3 by 2. So for logarithmic fall, the value of a is 1.5, yes, and h is equal to 2, so this option is correct. Exponential rise passing through 10, 0, the value of b will be equal to 10. Since we know the exponential rise function as y is equal to 10x divided by b minus b. Okay, since it is passing through 10, 0, so substitute this as 0 is equal to 10 divided by x minus b, so it will be b is equal to, okay, so in this case the value of b will be 10, so this option is also correct. Now moving to the third one. The stock price in the 12th month is rupees 4,000. So after October onwards, the price of the share varies x less y is equal to 10 x divided by b minus b. We have found b is equal to 10, so it will be x divided by 10 minus 10. So we have to substitute x as 12, so it will substitute 10 raised to power 12 divided by 10 minus 10. So its value will be not be equal to 4,000. Okay, so this option is incorrect. Now moving to the fourth one. If the vaccine was not made and the stock prices just followed the same logarithmic function throughout, the investor would have lost his or entire investment on the 12th month. Okay, so we can find this by using this equation. Here x is equal to 12, so substitute the value in this equation, so y will be equal to minus 3 by 2 log 10, 12 minus 2 is, that will give 10 plus a, that is 3 by 2, so it will give minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, so it will be equal to 0, so this option is correct. Thank you.